students. Now the second question may come in your exam, that why the walls of left ventricle are more thicker than the walls of right ventricle. ये ज़्यादा thick है इसकी walls कम thick है. So reason is that right ventricle has to pump blood to lungs, and we know that lungs are near to heart na. So for a short distance only they have to pump blood, while left ventricle has to pump blood to various parts of the body. That various parts, to hands, to feet, to brain, to various parts of the body, it has to pump blood. So that parts are far away from the heart. So it has to produce more pressure. So to withstand that more pressure, the walls of this left ventricle are more thicker in comparison to the walls of right ventricle. So these questions are clear to everyone. Now we come to the valves that are present in this heart. So again I have drawn this rough sketch: right auricle, right ventricle, left auricle and left ventricle. Okay, so this is showing the here we will show the first the walls and then we will show the veins. Okay, so between right auricle and right ventricle, one aperture is present. Aperture means opening. Okay, one aperture is present between right auricle and right ventricle, and this aperture is guarded by a valve. Valve कैसा है? इस जैसे suppose this is a aperture. इस valve में क्या होगा? 3 flaps are there. 1, 2 and 3. It is guarded by a valve that has 3 flaps in it. This valve is called right auriculoventricular valve. किसके बीच में प्रेजेंट है? बिटवीन ऑरिकल एंड वेंट्रिकल. इसलिए क्या बोला है? और राइट साइड पे है तो राइट ऑरिकुलोवेंट्रिकुलर valve that is present between the right auricle and right ventricle, and it is guarded by 3 flaps. That's why it is also called tricuspid valve. Tri means 3, so tricuspid valve because it is guarded by 3 flaps. So there is a opening. इस opening के through ही blood right auricle से right ventricle में आता है. ठीक है. Now same type of one opening is present here between the left auricle and left ventricle. This is called left auriculoventricular valve. Now this opening has only 2 flaps in it. Only 2 flaps are there. Because only 2 flaps are there, that's why it is called bicuspid valve. And this bicuspid valve is also known as mitral valve. 2 openings are present at the base of each ventricle also. On the right hand side, this opening is present. From here arises pulmonary artery. यहाँ से क्या निकलती है? पल्मोनरी आर्टरी. तो यहाँ पल्मोनरी आर्टरी और राइट वेंट्रिकल इनके बीच में एक ओपनिंग है, एंड दिस ओपनिंग इज कॉल्ड गार्डेड बाय अ वॉल्व दैट इज कॉल्ड पल्मोनरी सेमी ल्यूनर वॉल्व. पल्मोनरी क्योंकि ये पल्मोनरी आर्टरी है यहाँ पर, इसलिए पल्मोनरी वर्ड यूज हुआ. सेमी ल्यूनर मीन्स, सेमी मीन्स हाफ, ल्यूनर मीन्स मून. तो ये आधे चंद्रमा की शेप का वॉल्व है. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड सेमी ल्यूनर वॉल्व. वन वॉल्व इज प्रेजेंट ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, दैट इज कॉल्ड आयोटिक सेमी ल्यूनर वॉल्व. यहाँ से जो निकलता है वो निकलता है आयोटा, मेन आर्टरी ऑफ द बॉडी, आयोटा. इसलिए इसको बोलते हैं आयोटिक और सेमी ल्यूनर बिकॉज इट इज ऑल्सो ऑफ हाफ मून शेप. That's why it is called semi-lunar valve.